Alright, my people, welcome back. Ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà contradicts Igboho on legal expenses, expresses inability to handle agitators' medical emergency. Alright, on this one, to prove it has not abandoned Sunday, Adeyemo Igboho, who fronted for it during the Yoruba Nation rally, the Ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà has revealed its effort in standing with the agitator now sick in Benin's Republic. But the revelation in hindsight contradicts Igboho's earlier claim. The group's General Secretary, Opoluwa George Akinola, told the BBC Yoruba it imported lawyers from around the world to defend Igboho, held for forging Benin's travels document after Nigeria declared him wanted. We are fighting for all our children. We sought the services of countless lawyers in Nigeria and in the Republic of Benin in order to secure the release of Sunday Igboho, he said. Ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà contributed about 95% of the fees in the struggle for the freedom of prisoners. But over a month ago, Igboho, frustrated, blasted his lawyer Salami Ibrahim, a law professor in Benin, and then others whom he paid so much for so little they offered. 5 million naira, 4 million naira, 3 million naira. That was how they were paid. Yet they couldn't remove handcuffs from my hands. I don't fear any lawyer or anybody. Anything they want to do to me, I am ready, he said in a leaked phone conversation. Meanwhile, in August, his lawyer, Yomi Aliyu, also issued a statement denouncing grounds claiming they bankrolled the legal expenses of the agitator and his aides detained in Abuja den. He has been carrying his cross alone with no assistance from home or abroad, he said. How now that Igboho is reportedly down with kidney and a lung problem, Akinola said the group is still behind him. Alright, so Ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà again is at the forefront. Truly, the Ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà is not a team of medical professionals, but what we are doing is to simplify call for Sunday Igboho's release, because we are not known for fighting and we are not violent. What we are telling the government is that Igboho is someone fighting for the independence of the Yoruba land in accordance with the law. Thus, he should be set free and be at peace. Igboho's trial has been stalled since his arrest and detention in July. Alright, my people, well, the same thing we have been talking about, and then as it stands right now, majority of the agitators are now left with no other option than to storm Benin Republic. As we speak right now, majority of the youth are in Benin Republic, and then they have given the Benin Republic up till the end of this month, October, to do the needful or else. And then majority of things are gone wrong, and then Chief Sunday Igboho, as we speak, is not feeling too well yet. The Benin Republic is not ready to release him, and then somebody has already said it, that is to tell you that they want trouble, and then trouble they will get. Well, this man has been declared free even in Nigeria, so we see no reason why Benin Republic will still hold him hostage. I don't understand, when he has not committed any crime in that country. So sorry about that noise. Okay, well, we've been able to rectify that. Okay, and then like what we have said so far, he has not committed any crime in that country. So we see no reason why the Benin Republic will still be holding him back. And then that is to tell you that President Patrice Talon of Benin Republic is looking for trouble. Because right now, the youth are not smiling. Right now, the agitators are not smiling. No more looking back. It's no longer a joke. We have said this times to that number repeatedly. And then right now, nobody is even talking about release Chief Sunday Igboho to go and take care of himself and continue with the judgment. There's nothing like that. This time around, the people are saying release him finally, let him leave that place because he's not owing you anything. Is there any crime for someone to say, oh, let me pass through your land to my destination? When has that become a problem? And then that is what it is right now. Even in Nigeria, as we speak right now, he has been declared free. Nobody should hurt him, not to talk of Benin Republic. What is the meaning of investigating courts? I don't understand. They say there is a court called investigating court. This court is to investigate Chief Sunday Igboho. I laugh. What is the meaning of that? For how long? This is 3 months. For someone who is a freedom fighter, what are you investigating? Did he kill somebody? If not, that something is fishy. How much did the Nigerian government pay you? Patrice Talon. Yes, that is the name. How much were you paid to say, oh, this man should still remain in your custody? Someone who is, is a lover of people. Someone who is making things happen. Someone who does not want to see other cry. You are now suffering him for an offense he has never committed. Now, this set of people, the Nigerian youth, thank God, I love their spirit. They, as we speak right now, they are in Benin Republic. They are everywhere, watching out. Mosquito must not bite Chief Sunday Igboho. He must, headache must not worry him. Not to talk of say Congo, na Congo kill him. Hey, hey. Omo, fire go drop, oh. Fire go drop. It's no longer a joke. We are saying it, it's so painful. It's so painful. It's so unfair. Someone who has sacrificed himself. You can imagine you made him, celebrate his 49th birthday in your detention for doing nothing, for committing no crime. You people will pay for this. Well, my people, and then that has been it on this one. Many things have been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take, my people, onto this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new here on this channel. Thanks and God bless.